Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'll be showing you directly how to actually um, um, use Seedance to generate about 15 seconds video. Follow me carefully. Generate about 15 seconds video. How to use it totally free and unlimited, and how to access it. And this is going to be mind-blowing because you must know that Seedance 3 is not easy to access. And one of the best model of, even as one of the best model of AI video generation now, it's even hard for you to see one that can generate for you up to about 15 seconds video at a stretch. I'm going to show you how to use it free and unlimited. Those of you guys that know how I handle my tutorials know that what if I show you AI too, I also show you how to use it free and unlimited. I don't spare, I don't even spare it because I create all my videos using free AI tools. So this is what you are going to do now. The first thing you are going to do is just a very simple process. If you have not yet paid for my course, then you are, and if you are not also in my advanced class, then you should also do well to actually tap on the link in the description. Then you can make payment for my class, for any one of my class, for my advanced teaching on AI video creation, and then you can actually follow the whole process. My intention was to release this video on the advanced class, but it's all right. I want to make everyone to have access to it so that you guys can actually do more things with AI, and to actually find a way to be more creative. So at least you learn more new things. So this is the link to the platform you are going to use. You are going to use an AI twin to dollar AI. It's already on the group, on our Telegram group. You can go there and access it, and I also drop the link in the description. In fact, it's not going to be in the okay, I'll drop it in the description so that everybody can have access to it. And also, if those of you that have not also subscribed to my channel, you should also subscribe to my channel to ensure that you are going to get this clearly so that you can keep on receiving updates from me. Some of you are just benefiting from my channel and selling my course. Don't worry, I'll catch you guys. So please subscribe to the channel. Thank you, I really appreciate it. So please, once you have done that, tap on the link here. So tap on the link, it will lead you to Dubao. That is the name of the app. You can see the app is on up to down. So if you go to up to down, you can also find it, but just tap on the link. Don't waste your time to go and find it on Dubao, on up to down website. So just scroll down, look for download. You see download here. You see download. It has a very large megabyte or so. It's about 274. So if those of you that don't have space on your phone, prepare, or please, you need to have a lot of space on your phone before you can use it. Then just download it. Sorry. Once you download it, make sure you turn off Play Protect on your Play Store, and then permit download from permit installation from external sites. You must already know how to do that. You can go to your settings on your app and do that. Click turn on installation from other sites, or go to your Play Store and turn off. It's also on your Play Store. Just go and tap on your profile, look for Play Protect, turn off everything that is there, and then install this app, and then you can turn it on later. You get me? So that is what to do. Then once you have downloaded it, you install it. It will look like this. And let me show you. This is how it's going to look like. It would look like this once it is installed. Just tap on it, not to tap on something and install it. Just tap on it. The app, you will see it downloaded. But I would advise you to open this just as it is here. On Telegram, you see it. This is already on Telegram. Like, the link is open on Telegram. You can advise to open it on. Tap on this place and open it on your browser, so that you can see the download, the file clearly. Though you can still see it there, but once you tap on that, you will you download it, and then you now look for downloads. You can see downloads here. When you tap on that, you see downloads here, or you can go to your file on your phone, then you can be able to see the download there. Anyways, that is not what these are the ways you can be able to actually access your file after downloading it and then install it. Once you install it, it will look like this. it will look like this. Tap on it, it will open. Then the first thing you are going to do is for you to sign in. I'm going to show you how to sign in unlimited and how to even use as many phone numbers as possible to use this site, to use this app rather. So if we come to this side, you see something like
可以帮你解答问题，给你工作和学习提供帮助，也能陪你聊天。今天有什么可以帮你的吗？
don't mind all this there. You see that is in Chinese. Like the whole thing here is in Chinese, so you don't have. If you the only knowledge you need now is for you to know how to use your dollar AI very well. If you can use dollar AI, then you can use this one very well. So what you need to do here is for you to tap on this button here. You see this button, two line there at the top. Tap on it. Navigate down here. You see something like your profile. You see that. Tap on it. If you tap on it, you see that I've added like about 3 profile to it. One of them is with my number, so you can use your Nigerian number to sign up, but they will send for you code to your WhatsApp. I mean your WhatsApp phone number. You can use to sign up here. Then they will send for you code to your WhatsApp. However, I will show how to, if you might be thinking in your mind, will I keep on using this number to sign up, like you keep on using this phone number entirely, and then I will not pay for any? Yes, you can use one, but you have limit per day. You can be able to generate only 3 videos with this app per day if you're using one phone number. I can show you how to have access to as many phone numbers as you want. Let me show you how to sign up with different kinds of phone numbers from different countries, and you'll be able to use these two like mad. You can use it totally free and unlimited and sign up with different phone numbers, and then begin to use this account totally free and unlimited without paying any dime. You can even register with like about 10 phone numbers and begin to use this app and generate as many videos as possible. So you get me? All you just need to do is for you to come to this side. See this place where we have something like plus sign here, just as it is on dollar. Tap on it. If you tap on the plus sign, it will, you see something like this. You see something like TikTok, and you also see something like phone number. Tap on phone number here, this one. Tap on that one. You see something like, you see it's showing Nigerian number here because I'm reading Nigeria, so I'm gonna have to change this thing to the country code I'm going to use. Let me show you how to use how to use different numbers from different countries. Let me show you something. If you go to your sorry, if you open a new chat here, if you open a new tab here on your Chrome browser and search for temp numbers. If you search for temp numbers, let me show you temp number. Search for temp number, tap on it. It will open like this. Tap on the first one, temp numbers, tap on it, or even tap on, if you don't even see that one, you might even try to locate this one exactly. Temp numbers, online temporary phone numbers in United States. If you tap on it, you take it to the one in United States directly. All you just need to do is for you to find the one that you're going to use. In my own case, I'm going to use the second one, this one here. You can see it. I'm going to use it. I will copy it. As you can see, I'll copy it like this. You can see I've copied it. I'll come here. I'm going to look for that country code. I'll tap on the country code here. You can see country code. I'll tap on it to load up all the country code. Then scroll down. Let me show you. Just be looking at the country code there. You can see +1 here. So you know United States is +1. So just tap on +1 here. There's Ghana there, or if you're in Ghana, you can use your own phone number. You can get as multiple temp number on Ghana and then begin to use it there. Also, but if you feel like other states are also very, very much accessible, you know, based on the code that you can see easily there. Like now, you can find +1, +234, and +233, +85. They are easily found on that platform. So you can do that. And then once you find that, just check this button here, check it, and then paste the phone number there. Paste it. If you paste it, go to that, remove the first one there. That is the way we have plus. Just as we have 234 or +234. Our own number is 090. If you remove that 234, so you need to remove this +1 here because there's already +1 there, and then tap on sign up. Tap on that. It will send a code to that number. Let me show you. the code will appear here. Watch. If I tap on refresh, tap on refresh. Just tap on refresh here. Just wait for it a little bit. Tap on refresh. Keep on tapping. You can see the code has already appeared here. You can see 10 seconds, 16 seconds. You can see 16 seconds ago. Just now, the thing that just appeared. You can see your code here. So just copy it. Just copy it. You can see. I believe it should end with your number. Okay. Look at it. You can see they will always write it in Chinese. It does not even end with your number. But you just know, you find out that this is your code when you see that it's still in Chinese language. So copy the code. Just come here. Go back, paste it. No waste of time. Just paste. Don't waste much time. See, it's already loading. And then with that, you can log in. You can see that. Nice one. You can log in with as many Gmail as possible. You can see the user. You can see all those. You can add a name to this user. You can say, let this user be, what should be the name of this user? HYBS. You can say continue. You can add a profile picture to the name, and then to take you in directly. You can see this is now a new user.
Hi，我是豆包，可以帮你解答问题，给你工作和学习提供帮助，也能陪你聊天。今天有什么可以帮你的吗？
Forget about the Chinese language. Forget about the Chinese language. Let me now show you how to generate 15 seconds video with it. So if you have been patient till now, anyway, some person will still scroll past that. I wanted to release it in the advanced class and keep it there, lock it up so that nobody will access it. So that those who that have not paid for my advanced class won't access it. Because this is what some people. Anyways, let me not say some things. Yeah. Okay. I already have some prompts down already that I want us to try out and see how it works out. I think I have some prompt here already. Abby. Let me go back to. Okay, I think I have some prompt down here I can use. I got it from Gemini, from Gemini AI. So let me paste it here and use those prompts to see how this really works. This is the prompt one of it. Let me show you how to generate about 15 seconds video. So copy it. Come here. In this case, I'm not using image. So if you want to attach your image, just tap on this plus sign before pasting your prompt. So you must tap on the plus sign before, if you want to attach your images. I repeat again. If you want to attach a reference image, you must tap on the plus sign before pasting your prompt. You must tap on that plus and attach your images first before pasting your. Even if you paste your prompt, you will not be able to attach your images. But in this my own case, I'm using just a prompt, so I'm not going to attach any image. So I'll just paste my prompt. I just want to test it out so that you can see how it looks like. So you can see after attaching my prompt, there will no area for me to attach my images and all those things. So just follow me carefully. Go to the top. Type this before you send it. Don't send it like this. So give some space at the top. Type this. Generate a 15 seconds video scene with Seedance 2 fast model using this prompt, using the prompt below. Then you point down. That's all you need to do. Then they'll just send it. That's the way to generate your 50 seconds.
I'll generate a 15-second cinematic sci-fi fight scene using your detailed prompt. One important note: I can't specify the exact model Seedance Edos fast or control the audio mix directly, but I'll optimize the visuals for rhythm and impact to match your heavy wet impacts. Humming plasma charges, intense synthwave drop description. Let's generate that high-octane fight scene. 本次使用 Seedance 2.0 mini 生成，大约需要1到3分钟。视频生成好后，我会主动发送给你。 本次生成将消耗。
Or just allow them to speak all their whole English and their whole Chinese listen. Just allow them to generate your video for you. And also, let me just show you. So why it is generating. This is how to use it just like dollar. But if I'm using it just like dollar, it will only give you 10 seconds video. So if you tap on this other side, look at this place, this one here, tap on it, you see something like AI, tap on it, you will see that it will bring you up to this interface where you can now tap on this place, you can paste your prompts, you can see what other persons have been creating, you can see all those things. Here now you can create, and in dollar you can see that here is for images, and here is for video. So you can change it just like as it is on, what is this to call it again, just as it is on dollar and on Google Flow. So here's for images, here's for this thing for video. So if I tap on video here, you see there I have video. This is video. Then you can see now there's something like Seedance too fast here. You can see that. You can attach your reference image here with this plus sign here. You can see there's something like 9:16, the aspect ratio 10. You can see 10 seconds, 9 the aspect ratio. You can see the style of video generation, all those things. These are things that you can also indicate. And also you can also include a voice, a particular voice, but don't leave it. It is not like necessary. So if you guys want to overdo, so leave it. So you can actually do what you have been doing on dollar, to give exactly 10 seconds video just as it is here. Follow me. So that is what you need to know. Now let's wait for the video to generate. They will now play it and then we conclude. That is all you need to know about how to use this tool totally free and unlimited. You can see I've added different phone numbers and I'm using it totally free and unlimited to generate my videos. So let's watch the video that has been generated. Let's check it out. See if it has been generated. Okay, you can see it has been generated already. Wow, look at it. Look at it. It's going to be mind blowing. Check it out. Oh my God. My God, this is nice. So this is actually okay. Nice. So what you need to do now, of course, if you want to download it, just long press it. If you long press it, you'll see something just like as it is on dollar. Tap on this download sign here down. Then you'll be able to download it to your phone. And some of you that have a way of exporting it without watermark is alright. If you have a way of doing your thing, go and do it on your own. Nobody should disturb me much about watermark. I have a way of removing it. If you can, some of you already know this trick. You want to edit your videos, zoom it or use a blurry this thing and cover the watermark. That's how to do it around. Once you downloaded, you see it on your phone. That is all about it. So thank you. This is how to access this tool. Use it totally free and unlimited. And please, whenever you are generating your video using just the chat section. Using just this chat section without tapping on the AI tool for the customization and the usage of reference image and all that things that you want to also do. You want to be in charge of the aspect ratio. Please add your aspect ratio. Aspect ratio is also very important. As you can see, I did not include any aspect ratio in my prompt. So be very careful with it so that you can be sure that your video comes with the right aspect ratio. So thank you. That is what to do around it. And God bless you. So go and enjoy your AI too.